Good morning, gentlemen. This is Captain Molly. Let's start with our step-by-step tour or guide on how to use my very basic Excel program, CargoWorks, for bulk carriers cargo calculation. Okay, so this is the main menu or buttons for this CargoWorks version 2026 decimal 02. Okay. So first, part one of our demonstration on how to use this one is what tables that you need to be updated. So this with the blue stars on the upper left corner of buttons, these four tabs are the one that you need to be updated. Number one is the ships particulars. Okay. Ships particulars, including those distances, pre-board, deadweight, capacity table. Okay. Next, second button is hydrostatic table. This one, you need to input, select here the interval of the drop that you wish to input here. For example, here example is 1 meters as a starting point, and then the interval is about 5 centimeters. So if you want to put interval of 20 or 10 centimeters, just click this list box. You will notice that the interval here is 10 centimeters or 20 centimeters, and then automatically it will interpolate per centimeters. Okay, so that is for the hydrostatic table. Let's put it back to 5 centimeters. Next is the trimming table. Okay, let's input here the trimming table. This will be used for trimming calculation. Okay, if there's no trimming table, don't worry. We have a trimming calculation by LCG method. And last tables that you need to be updated is the cargo hold volume. Okay, this one. Okay, so up to 9 cargo holds. Okay, so this one is very useful in this multiple calculation, especially for calculating the volume or the stowage factor, especially in wood chip carrier. So don't forget to update that cargo hold volumes. Okay, so that's for buttons is used to be updated. Okay, before you start using this my basic Excel program for CargoWorks. Okay, so this for part one. Let's proceed for part two next time. Thank you, God bless, and may all your dreams come true. Good day.